How to create a channel on Telegram. So in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can create a channel on Telegram. So first of all, open your Telegram app, and here at the right bottom of your screen, you can see the pencil icon. So just click on that. And here at the top, you can see new group, new contact, new channel. So click on new channel. After clicking on new channel, you just have to click on the button create channel and write down the channel name. For suppose if I'm writing this example name and give it a type of description like a tutorial channel, and after that just click on this tick on the above right. After clicking on tick, you just have to tell whether your channel is public or private. If you have a public channel, then you have to specify any link. If it's private, then it will automatically generate any link for you. If you're doing a public channel, so just write down a name for it. For suppose I write this tutorial 00987, and this is available now. So once it's available, just click on tick and then click on this tick above, and if you want to select any subscribers from your contacts, just click on their name and they'll be invited, or just click on this arrow item. And after that, you can see now that your channel is created. That is how you can create a channel on Telegram.